Now the mama. Oyibo mama.
This man.
Oyibo mama.
All this way they help me like this. What happened? On top credit.
No, mama, just give me garri. My belly they ring bell. Give me garri. Ma feel alright. One call.
Ma give you again. Now because of God though.
No problem.
Now because of God.
God will see
I
us.
no go do am. Although they owe me, never pay me.
After you, now you. Hey.
Every time I go answer mama. This all my money, they in hand plenty. No worry. Now you go see concert tomorrow.
Boom.
The mama.
Yeah.
Hi, Mama.
How now?
I'm fine,
Hey,
Mama.
take.
Mama, na shawama na.
Jesus.
Mama, na shawama na.
Which the way my girl don't turn to shawama?
Okay.
Shawama na.
Which the way you turn to shawama? You not hungry again?
Mama, na shawama na.
On top credit.
Mama, give me the garri if you don't want am, I beg.
You do well, Jare.
Hey!
Put am for you.
I beg, put sugar. Oh. At least I buy sugar. I see money buy sugar. I go pay you tomorrow. No worry.
Okay, my dear.
Mama, garri na. You dey give her my garri.
What happened now? You say na shawama you want. Fine girl don't collect am.
Mama, you suppose know now. As if fine girl, I dey try wine you, they give you sign. Mama, you know cold. They give you
God
sign.
there for hungry.
Mama, I go take you now.
God there for hungry. Fine girl don't collect am. Go chop shawama. Garri don't finish.
Mama, why they do me like this?
God have mercy
I
upon
don't get garri. They go abeg. Go chop shawama. Come on, they go.